Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your battery right here on the Impala. I'll show you how to change that. And these are 2014 Impala, go all the way down to 2007. I'm not really sure about it, but that's this model. If your car look like this, that's how to change. This is how to change the battery. All right. So first, you want to take out these 13mm right here. Take off this bar, and also what you want to do is come right here and pull this back up and squeeze this in and unplug it. All right. So you can move this. All right. So that's what I'm going to do now. 13mm. Now I can take this up all the way. That's that. Now what I'm going to do is take this off, take some, and also take the battery holder on there. Alright? And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let me help you. Alright, my next start will be the next problem your car having, and I will show you how to fix it. Alright, so down there, that's holding the battery right there. That's a 13mm. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take out that 13mm right there. This is what it should look like. Right there. So now the battery is loose. So what you want to do is get a 10mm and take off the negative side of the battery. Alright? And also take off the fuse box right here. So it can give you a little more space to work with. Alright, so 10mm. Take this up right here. And also for the positive side too. 10mm. All the batteries. So this right here, you gotta get 11mm. 11mm are 7. Hold on, let me double check. Alright, 716. 716. Just like how you take out the battery, you want to reverse the technique you use to put in the battery, right? My technique is going like that. That's my technique. And then I'll hold the lower part of the battery forward and try to get it back down. And also, this up. Get down. That's it. And now it's time to get this back that hold the battery and put it back down here. going to be 13 millimeter. Alright, battery is nice and tight. Now it's time to clean your terminal. However you want to clean your terminal, you can. Go ahead and clean your battery terminal. Alright. Okay, so I already cleaned my terminal. So I cleaned my terminal, now to put it on. Put them on. And again, to tighten the terminal, it's going to be 10 millimeter. And also, you want to go ahead and catch that up there. Tighten back your fuse box. Okay. Fuse box and your battery terminal. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a little tip right here. Alright. What you wanna do is put on the battery terminal, the positive side, without putting on the negative terminal. So that way you won't short out to the frame or anything like that. Even though I didn't do it, I was extra careful, but you're probably not going to be extra careful as me. So, alright, so that's what I mean. Alright, just going to do it all over. Just to show you what I mean. Alright, so now I'm going to connect the terminal. The best way to do it is to put that down there, connect this one. Alright, so if you want to go ahead and tighten this like that, it'll be good. Even if you touch the battery, the frame, it'll still be good. You tighten that one up first. You put on your thing, and then tighten this one up next, and tighten it up. Alright. Alright, so that's that. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. This is time to tighten that. And once again, it's going to be 7/16 or 11 millimeter. Alright. Now, so bring this around. Careful not to scratch your paint. And go ahead and lock this back in. That back in right there. And then line up your holes in both ends. So the screws that is bigger go right here. The bolt that is bigger, I'm sorry, the bolt. And also the small one go to the front. Alright. And that's my frame, gonna be 13 millimeter right there. So let's see when I'm gonna find my 13 millimeter. That's my 13. Thought I had a 13, but it was 14 instead. That's the 13 right there. that's it, guys. That's how you change your battery on a 2014 Chevy Impala. 2014, 2013, 2012, you know, go all the way down to 2007. All right, see you next time. And one more thing, you want to get the key, come inside, turn on the ignition, wait a few seconds so the computer can read everything what's going on. It can resync itself, the AC vent can resync itself, and so that, go ahead and crank it up. Alright, and if by any chance your ABS light on, you should just drive the car and it should go away if there's not a problem with the ABS system. Alright guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help me help you. Thank you guys for your love and support. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if I helped you. Alright, thank you. See you next time.